to another video, and today we're at the Taco Tuesday meet. We've got a lot of new bikes out that we haven't seen in a while. So we got this brother, he's got the drug money on the side. Oh my god, it says Blow Whisper. That's crazy. We got a bunch of bikes though, a whole bunch of brothers. We got the Carlos's Gsxr 1000, as you saw in the last video. We lowered his bike. Crazy. If y'all haven't seen that, check that out. Super clean. We got a whole bunch of other Gsxrs and everybody. More Gen 3s sitting over here. This thing, the felon, right here, the felon. They've been doing wheelies in the Surons for a while since we got here. At the factory, 750, a couple boosters.
Wrap it up at the very end because
got the H2, another R7. Check out the carbon on this CBR. Look at that. It's painted carbon. The whole bike is carbon, and it's all painted like a red color over it. It's so clean. But yeah, let's see, he's gonna do it with here. Alright YouTube, we have everyone out here. We're ready to ride out, man. It's gonna be nice. We got a bunch of people out. A bunch of people. Like a lot of new faces and everything. Taco Tuesday. We got that booster, man, on the 240 tire. I think that's a 240 tire. Oh yeah, it feels amazing out right now. Amazing out. Oh yeah. Man, the sprinklers are always on at this time. Always gotta be careful. Always gotta be careful of those sprinklers, man. They're freaking, they'll get you. This guy with his leg up and everything. Yo, Will getting it too, man. Oh. Will. Oh my goodness. What are they doing? Why would you stop right there, bro? Oh my, dude, that's bad. Luckily everybody's paying attention. Now let me get back to it, man. Oh, there goes Els! That boy! He always be cooking. Oh my god. Is he okay? Oh dude, he saved it! Yo, oh my god, dude. He's wildin', bro. Bro. oh my god, dude. Dude, thank God he saved that, bro. Dude. Yeah, yeah. Dude, wow. Wow, bro. That's insane. He got so close to going down, man. That would, wow, dude. Woo! That got me scared, dude. Wow, bro. Holy crap. I know his freaking, dude. Wow, bro. Dude! Yo! Bro! Oh my, dude, I got that on video. Bro, that was close, bro. I thought he was going down, dude. That's insane. Hey, that's gonna be a hell of a video, dude. That's fucking. Thank God, bro. God was with him on that one, bro. For real. Yo, that S1K is so low to the ground, bro. Yo, it's so low. That thing's fast, bro. Apparently that one's fully built, bro. That's so crazy, man. Oh my God, my heart is racing. I'm just glad he's okay, man. I'm glad he's okay. Oh my God. Oh, look at you! Wow, bro. Guys, when you're on the bike, it's okay to push yourself, but push it to a limit, man. Push it to, like, just, it's okay to push yourself. There's nothing wrong with doing that, but when it's too much, it's, you know it's too much. Oh, he's chopping it down, bro. He's getting it ready. Yo, these guys are crazy going on the sidewalk. And I knew, I will always be going on the side, bro. Always, bro, without a doubt. I've always seen that man right on the side, dude. Oh, what happened there? Is he gonna do it? There he goes, there he goes. Oh, little baby Willie. Yo, let's go! Wait, hold up. Is L's? Yo, these little bikes! That's Sergio on L's bike and L's on Sergio's bike. I was that confused me for a minute. I was like, wait, hold up. That's awesome, man. Alright, so we made it to the meet with all the bikes here. Luckily, everybody made it safely. There's a little couple of mishaps, but it happens, it happens. As long as everybody made it safe, that's all that matters. Got everybody over here. Felipe popped out. You see the green S1K. This thing's insane. Got everybody out here. It's still kind of early, so everybody's kind of just still showing up. But Yeah, it's a good to know. So, yeah, and we got some more bikes over there too. Yo! Alright YouTube, this is going to be the end of the video here today. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell notification, interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.